Good afternoon, everybody. Today we have Dr. Samarjeet Singh, Managing Director, Sai Grace Academy International with us. Sir is the President of Doon CBSE Sahodaya Complex, Developing School Associations Uttarakhand, Private Schools and Children Welfare Association Uttarakhand, Paddle Teams Association Uttarakhand, and also the Vice President of Association of Private Schools Committee Uttarakhand, Special Olympic Board India Uttarakhand. Sir, it is an absolute honor to have you in the podcast with us. Thank you so much for being here with us. So, your family joined, the government supported. So what about the parents? So, is the parent community equally supportive?
If we have grown, it is just of the, I'll take it that way. If we have grown to this level, we have touched around 1200 students last year. So it is just because of the parent support. They entrusted their faith, they put their word, and we came up to their expectations.
So you are the president of so many associations. So what are the different things that you're doing in schools? If there are some key initiatives that you've taken, some different initiatives that the school is a part of.
As an association head of different associations, I had brought every school in Uttarakhand, whether it is from Far Hills or Dehradun or Haldwani or Nainital, together to a platform where they can exchange their ideas, they can share their difficulties.
Wonderful.
And we build a community of schools.
Wow. So any idea, do you also want to build a community outside of Uttarakhand?
Yeah, I am associated with so many school owners and other associations outside Uttarakhand as well.
Okay.
And since you have to learn, and if you want to enrich yourself, so you have to step out of your vicinity.
Right, in order to learn and grow.
In order to learn.
Right. So I'm sure you're aware of the community that we are also setting up. So
yeah, I had your team yesterday with us, the Britannica Education, and it is really an eye-opener for me, because what we used to study a Britannica quiz and Britannica, we used to study books. Now the books are not there. As I told you today also, the education has come to the palm top, and you will be a pioneer in getting this palm top to the students. And at one go, they are able to access 2,000 more books at one go. And it is giving them ease to read and ease to learn. It is just the inquisitiveness of the student. If it is there, they'll be exploring you more.
Right. And reading is an important skill. So, how much emphasis is given to reading in your set of schools, sir?
Reading actually, as you know, is part of learning. And what I believe is reading along with writing is important. So what normally I tell my students, if you read and if you write, the more you read, the more you write, the less it is.
Right.
So unless only you read and write more, you will not be able to score.
Right. So are you a supporter of students exploring their own career choices? So how much of
I would like to basically enrich you or basically lighten up your discussion today. We are the only school owners or school in Uttarakhand, I believe, who have got 2 patents. I am the only school owner to be awarded by Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad, former President of India, at IIM Ahmedabad. So the inquisitiveness and to represent the school, getting 2 patents for the school from the student side. So we are there to basically nurture and develop and give them a platform.
Give them exposure of
give
different...
Give them exposure. Yeah,
wonderful.
The students got awarded at IIM Ahmedabad. So I made them travel by air to Ahmedabad, came back with them, and it was an exposure for them.
So very much we are part of the community. We are doing community service. We are also working at a national level, and now it is time to work at an international level.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
With you, I believe we will do something.
So what is the future vision of Sai Grace International Schools?
Basically, what we will be looking for this is basically making them learn what Indian values are.
Yeah, that's very important.
Because I'd like to have a blend of modern education with Indian values for my students. Because some of the other way we have been seeing that जिसे कहते हैं ना वो तड़का इज मिसिंग ऑफ कल्चर, कहते हैं अपना संस्कार इज मिसिंग.
Sanskar.
Everybody is having car, but sanskar is missing. So we need to get that sanskar back. And
That's very important.
Ask parents to give it back to the student.
Right, great. Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure speaking with you today.
Thank you.
And so the world needs more of Dr. Samarjeet Singh, right? So thank you so much, sir, for being with us, and thank you.